Stop switching tabs to use AI. With the Neuroflash Chrome extension, your personal AI assistant is everywhere available where you work online, making you faster and more productive. And whether you open it by clicking on it or simply using a shortcut, ChatFlash is there instantly. So now let's look at some examples how to speed up your daily task. So I, for example, have to translate some things quite some time. You don't need to go in and type in a prompt. I mean, you can do that, feel free. You can also go and if you have saved something like I did, translate is my prompt, and I just can type in, again, I can type in slash, type in translate, and there I have it. I have the prompt that I've saved. I can just copy paste the text I want to translate, and there I go. So now I have the translation for this in 2 languages right there with a couple of clicks, right? Now, let's do something else. Let's do emails, because emails is something we every day we have to do emails, right? Let's take this example email from Alex here. I have a prompt as well. I can go in, just type reply, and I have a reply email prompt. I can just paste in the email I have from Alex here talking about the holiday special, and I can just send it off. It's gonna write a reply to Alex in my brand voice. Remember, Neuroflash, you can save your brand voice, so the AI will always write in your brand voice, your style, right? And I can also say, okay, I don't want to make it a positive reply, but let's make it friendly decline, right? And it will write in my brand voice a friendly reply decline of this offer here to Alex, and I can just copy that, bam, put it in my email program, and I have again sped up one of my daily tasks. Now, one cool thing is also that this is here on this page, right? But you can switch a tab and it's there on this page as well. So if you work on one program, you do something there, you can translate it, you can add it to your other. The ChatFlash is always there at your hand, at your fingertips, and ready for your action. So ready to get smart and work smarter? Add the Neuroflash Chrome extension to your browser and bring your AI assistant into your workflow. It's time to get more done faster. Thanks, and let us know what you think. Always looking for feedback.